Hello, hello. We're going to review the winning day again. 327. It's 11 minutes long. Yeah. I had to pull my blinds down. 46, there's a plunge here on sellers. Right there is a place to bid. Flip short there. It fills, time to get out. 67, 53.80. I flip short here. I don't agree with it. This is an as she goes. Buyer gets absorbed up there, 31 at 84.25. There's a big sell order down there I'm targeting. I scratch the trade. There's big absorption there, 78. The Q plunge doesn't fill. I'm short too. I think it's going to move lower here. I pull one and she pukes. Another as she goes, 75, no order flow though. It sells off anyways. I want to see some sort of buyers get in there. See that huge absorption at 78 even? And then another big order there. Then 26, 77, 50 can't fill. And they sell off. Sellers hit so heavy that buyers can't even get out. See how the inside prints are empty. Same trade there. Tape dries up here. 204. There's no trade here, but I'm seeing sellers hit in at 78.75. There's a bid return pullback on 80.75 I was looking for. I didn't get the rotation. I'd say they rally it, but look at the Q on the buy side. That's going to push price lower. Big absorption, 77.50. We're hitting it again. It's a good short right there. The rotation's over. Well, it ended right there, and there's the second one. That's an as she goes to the downside. So somebody's just posting liquidity to hit, which is good. We're at the low again. See the 53 being absorbed, 77. That's bad. For buy side, they're still weighing sellers more. That trades. Liquidity runs out. Sellers are getting absorbed here at this big order now. After it got filled, I need water. That tells me we're going up. Or there's a trade opportunity there. See how 20, 70, 50 bid held price up a tick. Yeah. Okay, the rotation's over. See how 23 is absorbed, 71.50. Time to get out. Where price goes from here, I don't know. Probably lower. After it goes lower, I'll say that. 42 sell side. That's what I'm bidding here. Flow has changed. 71, 46, 68, 50. Absorbed sell side. So sellers are getting less bang for their buck, if that makes sense. Which means the move could be coming to an end, and shortly after buyers step in and they rip it back to the value area. The Q stuffs. There's a Q plunge trade right there at 70.25. I take it. I get out right there for 3 ticks. Another Q plunge, 71. I want to see how flow reacts first. They're going to hit it here. See the buy absorption at 71.75. Yeah. And then a Q plunge at 72. These are return pullback trades. See, our price is moving lower on no liquidity, even though 69.25 has some absorption there. They're still sitting there. They can't move it higher. That seller's going to be rewarded. Before the sell hit at 69.25, we were moving lower, and the prints were empty, meaning market makers want it lower, sell side, and then price pukes. That's a really good thing to learn. I don't know why I do know why I'm breathing so heavy. I'm pretty sure actually. I'll be back. I'm back. There's an as she goes right here. 35 absorbed, 67.50. And they plunge but rally the rotation immediately, making me miss my exit. Tape is dry now. We see back ticking and absorption at 69 and 69.25. Good short right there. And then good scratch, 3 ticks higher. I wouldn't even have time to move it. I have to watch that again because I read it wrong. Pull, value sets. They bid. It dries up. Sellers get absorbed. They move 2 ticks higher on the sellers being absorbed. They get absorbed again. Down at 68.25. And then buyers step in. Sellers hit again. So I just wasn't watching the sellers on the inside prints. I took a Q position breakout trade 72.25 there. So price is rallying right now. All I'm looking for are Qs and return pullbacks. I don't have much of anything else to tell you, lads. Okay, there's absorption right there, sell side. We see price backticking. Right here is the end of a kind of messed up profile. Buyers get absorbed here. There's down ticking. No sellers. Buyers still getting absorbed. Yeah. So they pulled a limit side. Because there were no active sellers. $74 absorbed at 48. I flip long on it as she goes. Yeah. Sellers step in. Buyers still hitting. Not really being absorbed. We're going to go higher, I think. Unless they dry out. They dried out short time. And see how there are no sellers down there. Now there are. They move up against some. I would get long. I'd get out now. They're being rewarded. You should flip. Well, no. This is the return pullback at the end of the day. There's seller absorption there. We plunge. There's no liquidity. Price holds and I get scared, and there's a big rally in the opposite direction. Just on absorption. See, the tape dries up. There were sellers, and now there aren't any sellers. And then 41 trades, and they move 3 ticks off it, and they get out.